In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you guys on how you can simply create a new Apple ID. If you have trouble setting up a new Apple ID or stuck at Apple ID and password, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how this really works. Without further ado, let's get started. On your settings page, tap right here and head into this page. Click on Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Select on this very first option of Create Apple ID. You will be required to enter your first name and last name. Proceed by entering your date of birth. Click on this arrow right here to ease entering in your information. Tap on Continue, enter an already existing email address, and that will be your new Apple ID. You can also tap right here on Do not have an email address to create an iCloud email address. The easiest and faster way is to just link your existing email address. It can be a Gmail account, Yahoo Outlook, or AOL account. Don't also forget to enable this option on. You will be receiving important announcements, recommendations, and updates about Apple products, software, and services. You will be required to enter your password and make sure to re-enter your password to verify. On this page, enter your phone number. It enables two-factor authentication, helps to recover your account if you forget your password, and allows you to receive important notifications regarding your Apple devices and services. A verification code will get sent to your number, so make sure you enter an active phone number. Enter the code and go through all the terms and conditions. Tap on Agree, and you will be required to enter your current iPhone passcode. Your Apple ID will get created successfully. Since we used an existing email account, you will have to verify your email address as well. Tap on Verify Email Address, click on Send Code. Head into your Gmail. Copy the code to clipboard. Get back and paste the code onto this page, and your email address will get verified successfully. Creating an Apple ID is crucial for accessing a plethora of Apple services, including the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, and more. It also allows you to sync your data across your Apple devices. To start downloading apps onto your iPhone, head to the App Store. Tap on your profile icon to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Just enter your email and password. Tap on Sign In and you will successfully access the App Store. You can download apps and more. Back to your newly created Apple ID. To add a profile photo, just tap on Edit to either choose photo or take a picture right away. To add your card or any PayPal account, just tap on Payment and Shipping. You will be required to enter your card details, and your card will get added as your payment method. There are a lot more you can set up on a newly created Apple ID, and I have videos about different things that might be helpful, such as changing your Apple ID name, password, phone number, and lot more. Just check out on our channel, you will see those videos. That's how easy it is to create a new Apple ID. And if you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on future uploads. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.